Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I am making milk pudding, a perfect Ramadan Iftar special dessert. Soft, creamy and beautifully set with agar-agar. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add 3 cups milk. Keep stirring and let it boil. Add 1/4 cup sugar and 1/4 cup condensed milk. Condensed milk adds extra creaminess. Mix well. Milk pudding sets without eggs. Mix 3 tablespoons water with 1 teaspoon agar-agar powder until smooth. Pour this mixture into the boiling milk and stir continuously. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Cook for 5 minutes until the agar completely dissolves. Agar-agar is plant-based and vegetarian-friendly. Once slightly thickened, pour into a 7-inch glass mold. Spread pistachio and cherry on top. This dessert is perfect for festive gatherings. Cool down and keep in the fridge for 1 hour until fully set. Slice and serve. Milk provides calcium and protein. Refrigerate fully before slicing. Agar-agar is lighter than gelatin. Homemade pudding has controlled sweetness. A simple and comforting dessert option. Your festive special milk pudding is ready. Smooth, creamy and beautifully set. Serve chilled and enjoy with family. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Follow Innovative Foods for more festive dessert recipes.